Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the inward drag.
ADK Beatbox.
The inward drag is a really cool sounding breath control technique which can help you from running out of breath while beatboxing and also to make complex patterns and variations. There are basically two types of inward drags: the normal inward drags on which almost all the variations are built upon, and the Reeps One inward drag. First, to do the normal inward drag, you need to hyperventilate with your mouth. And what that means is you need to breathe inward and outward by using your mouth and making this airy sound like and make sure you pull your tongue backward when you do the sound so that the air entering your mouth is forced to drag over the roof of your mouth and make the sound more prominent. For example, instead of doing a drag like with your tongue front, you just pull your tongue backward and do the sound to get a very prominent sounding drag like. And that is the normal inward drag. And after you get the sound, a simple practice pattern would be and another classic inward drag pattern would be And next, to do the Reeps One inward drag, you need to do the inward sound of a normal inward drag and keep your tongue position similar to that of an inward case snare by touching the roof of your mouth and allow the air to pass through the sides of your mouth and tell the word upper inward like and that's the Reeps One inward drag. Even though this doesn't sound that great alone, it sounds amazing as fillers between outward beat pattern. For example, a simple beat pattern would be and another beat pattern would be and after you get this sound, you can experiment by adding extra inward drag sound along with the Reeps One inward drag to get a more complex pattern. For example, an intermediate beat pattern would be and And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with this sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.